If your customers bounce between web chat and texting, it's easy for context to get lost. And it's even easier for response times to slip. But VirtualText is designed to bridge the gap.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
VirtualText from VirtualPBX is a US-based business communication service that offers a web chat widget and the ability to continue conversations over SMS without breaking the thread. It also adds workflow tools like team collaboration, automations, AI agents, playbooks, real-time sentiment analysis, and webhooks to help teams stay organized as volume grows. Plus, it offers a 40-day free trial. In this video, we'll walk through what setup looks like, what the day-to-day inbox experience feels like, the features that matter most, how pricing works, and what kind of support is available. If you want more details on VirtualText, including deals and promotions, check our full written review on bestreviews.net. Getting started happens in Web App, where admins can manage the company profile, teams, users, and core areas like AI agents, SMS campaigns, automations, and integrations. During setup, you can organize people into teams by function, like sales, billing, technical support, or customer care. You also get standard and administrative roles, which helps you align access with responsibility. Before you even go live, you can customize each team's welcome message, and you can add a team-specific scheduling link for meetings. To add the widget to your website, you create an inbox, choose whether the channel is web chat or SMS, set the default theme, and configure routing so new conversations land where they should. From there, it's a simple copy and paste of the HTML snippet. You can preview the widget and test it before publishing, which makes rollout feel more controlled. Once messages start coming in, the unified web chat and SMS inbox becomes the home base. Conversations stay in threads, so it's easy to search, filter, and work through messages without losing context. Within each thread, the sidebar contact panel pulls in customer details like phone number, SMS consent status, sentiment, and AI-powered reply suggestions, so your team can respond with the right context faster. And if you need to keep an eye on conversations while away from a desk, there is a mobile option. You install it by first logging in through a mobile browser, and then you can manage active conversations on the go. The headline feature is conversation continuity. VirtualText is built so a customer can start on web chat, move to SMS, and your team can keep replying in the same thread instead of starting over. That continuity shows up in the unified inbox experience, where threads stay organized, searchable, and loaded with the context your team needs to respond. VirtualText is also designed for collaboration. Teams can hand off conversations, take control of an active chat owned by someone else, claim unassigned messages, or transfer a thread to a different team when the topic changes. To keep internal communication clear, people can also add notes to conversations, and those notes stay visible for the whole team. Collaboration extends into the back channel, a private, internal-only window that lives alongside the customer's conversation history. It allows team members to collaborate and stay updated in real time without the client seeing the internal discussion. To maintain order, only the assigned owner of a conversation can manage invitations to the back channel. When text isn't enough, there are two audio options: huddles and voice chats. Huddles are internal-only audio sessions that can be launched directly from the conversation dashboard by any team member who can view the conversation for quick brainstorming. Voice chats are customer-facing audio calls initiated directly from the dashboard by the conversation owner to speak with clients in real time. Now, if you plan to use SMS, compliance is a big part of the story. Access to SMS requires a mandatory registration tied to an existing or new phone number, and that can take 1 to 5 days to process. VirtualText also pushes a consent-first approach to texting. Companies provide legal business information and opt-in methods for 10 DLC, and contacts can be organized with details like opt-in status, carrier, and assigned marketing campaign. That consent-focused contact organization helps teams stay within texting laws while keeping the contact list usable for real campaigns. On the AI side, VirtualText supports automated replies through AI agents. Setup leans heavily on presets, so most teams can configure an agent without needing advanced technical skills. You can choose the agent's behavior type, set a response style, add a greeting message, define operating hours, assign a team, and decide whether contact verification is required. A key differentiator is AI-powered triage. Conversations can be routed based on the type of request and the emotional status of the message, and sentiment analysis updates in real time as the thread evolves. That triage plus real-time sentiment gives teams a practical way to spot urgency and prioritize the right conversations faster. If your team wants more structure, playbooks let you define instructions for AI behavior or team operations. You can auto-generate playbooks by type and role, generate them from a URL, upload an MD file, or use a template, and you also get a quality assessment with a score and recommendations. Finally, VirtualText is built to connect into workflows. It supports API keys, webhooks, and integrates apps like Shopify, Stripe, and Pipedrive. That flexibility through integrations gives teams more room to adapt VirtualText to existing systems instead of rebuilding workflows from scratch. VirtualText uses tier-based pricing, and plans start at $99 per month with Connect. If you want to test it first, there's a 14-day free trial available for all plans. The Connect plan includes a shared inbox and AI agents and your choice of either WebChat or SMS channel. If you end up needing both, you can always add the second one for an extra monthly fee. Connect supports up to 3 users, and it includes 1 communication channel, shared inbox, AI agents, and 1 playbook. If you need broader support, Engage costs $199 per month. It includes up to 10 users, multiple communication channels and playbooks, AI routing, payment links, and audio support for the team's back channel. For larger organizations, Workspace costs $299 per month. It supports twice as many users, adds enhanced AI agent features, and includes an optional integration with VirtualPBX VoIP. Users can cancel subscriptions at any time by logging into the account, and cancellations take effect at the end of the current paid term. For self-serve help, VirtualText includes support resources in the web app and on the company's website. Inside the app, you can access getting started guides for setting up the WebChat widget, along with API documentation. If you prefer video walkthroughs, the company also has a YouTube channel with tutorial content. For direct help, you can call the company using its toll-free or international phone numbers, or chat with an agent inside the app using the WebChat widget. Our onboarding experience was excellent. The team explained the platform clearly and answered questions promptly, which is a good sign if you want a guided rollout. VirtualText is a highly intuitive web app that merges WebChat with SMS communications, and it includes essential team collaboration tools to manage conversations in one place. It also supports automatic replies via custom AI agents, with AI-powered message sorting and real-time sentiment analysis that help teams prioritize and respond faster. On the flip side, the platform does not let you create custom team roles. And if you plan to use SMS, phone number registration can take 1 to 5 days to process. VirtualText is best for small and mid-sized businesses that want to build long-lasting customer relationships by keeping WebChat and SMS communications in one place. If you want to know more about VirtualText, check our written review at bestreviews.net. See you on the next one.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be notified of future videos. See you next time!